Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Mendeley to Google Docs so you can easily insert citations and manage your references directly in your documents. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure you already have a Mendeley account and the Mendeley Cite add-on installed. You can actually create a free Mendeley account here by clicking on this button, which will forward you to a new page. Creating an account here in Mendeley is a breeze. All you have to do is provide all the information needed and click the continue button. Now after that, you need to download the Mendeley Reference Manager. Okay, so as you may notice, click the download button and I have already downloaded that, and just install the Mendeley Reference Manager on your computer. Now, after installing the Mendeley Cite Reference Manager, I want you to open to your Google Docs document. Now, I want you to click the Extensions tab on the top corner and click the Add-ons right here. And then click the Get Add-ons and search for the Mendeley Citation and press Enter. Now, if you can't find the Mendeley Cite, don't worry, because there is another option for you by using your Microsoft Word. Okay, so once you are signed in, if you want to insert a citation, I want you to go to the add-ins. From here, you just have to search for the references and type in Mendeley right here. For example, this one right here, Mendeley. Click that and click the Insert Citation. All right. Mendeley will automatically insert the formatted citation in your document. You can also choose your preferred citation like APA, MLA, or Chicago. Now, once you have finalized your file, I want you to save it by clicking on the export and download as ODT or PDF. It doesn't matter because you can open that later on the Google Docs. So we're gonna quickly switch over to our Google Docs. Now, from here, I'm gonna open the file that we have saved from Microsoft Word, which is going to be this file. I'm gonna open that in our Google Docs in a few seconds. And there you have it. You have now successfully connected Mendeley to Google Docs and can now manage your citations and references seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.